Hi, it's Christine doing a review on the Yeti Dog Chew. These are large chews for dogs up to 55 pounds, and it comes in 2 pieces. I like that it's all natural, long-lasting, minimal odor, and non-staining. Depending on how much your dog chews, this would last my dog for a couple days. After your cheese becomes a tiny nub, you can microwave it for a minute or 2 and it'll turn into a crunchy cheese puff. I like that there's limited ingredients in this, and the packaging is easy to open. Let me demonstrate it here. Ta-da! Let me show you how tough these cheese chews are. They do have low odor. It actually has a nice, pleasant, smoky cheese smell. I like that these are solid, so it lasts for a while as your dog chips away at it. I'd recommend these chews if you need to go out or if you just need your dog to be occupied for a bit while you do other things around the house. Here's a cheese nub, and I'll show you how it looks like after it has been microwaved. My dog actually knows if I'm microwaving one because he can smell it. Careful, it gets hot, so let it cool down a bit. I think this is the part that my dog loves the most. Let me show you how crunchy this is and why it's my dog's favorite part.